Using Brevo for WhatsApp messaging enables businesses to engage customers through another popular communication channel. Here's a brief guide on how to use Brevo for WhatsApp. Sign up and set up. Create or log into your Brevo account. Navigate to the WhatsApp section in your account settings. Connect WhatsApp Business account. Follow the prompts to connect your WhatsApp Business API account. Verify your business and phone number through WhatsApp's verification process. Import contacts. Import your contacts into Brevo, ensuring they have opted in for WhatsApp messages. Segment contacts based on relevant criteria for targeted messaging. Create WhatsApp campaigns. Go to the Campaigns tab and select Create a WhatsApp campaign. Design your message using text, images, videos, and other supported formats. Personalize the message with contact attributes like names and purchase history. Send messages. Choose your target audience from your contact list or segments. Schedule the message or send it immediately. Use A/B testing to optimize content for better engagement. Analyze performance. Monitor delivery rates, read rates, and responses through Brevo's analytics dashboard. Generate reports to evaluate campaign effectiveness and refine future messaging strategies.